I've been attached with the feeling of now waking up with you by my side.
We'll have more photo opportunities later. Upo na tayo. Have a seat. Hello! Inay! Good to see you! May utang ka sa akin. Ito na tayo. Eto na. Belle, hello! Hi ka naman sa lahat.
Hi everyone! Hello po! Good evening. Thank you so much for joining us and to everyone na nanonood sa amin sa live ngayon. Maraming salamat.
Yes, good evening everyone and thank you for joining us today. And sana po panoorin natin ang pelikula Meet, Greet, and Buy coming on November 12. Thank you so much.
Juan Carlos.
Hello, hi! Juan Carlos nga pala.
Bait ha? Ang bait na ang bait.
Opo, ayun po. Gitan-gitan ko yun, doon po ako.
Wow! Alright, kwentuhan tayo later.
Kinakabahan ako pa.
Huwag kang kabahan, masaya lang to.
Ang daming tao.
Ang dami. They're all excited to hear about your movie. But also joining us today are ang creators ng Meet, Greet, and Buy. Let's call in our writers, Jumbo Albano and Patrick Valencia. Tatay tayo marching band din eh. Tan, 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 tan.
Happy birthday.
Ay, ano yun, Belle? Saan nagaling yun? Okay. Also, will be joining us. Mamaya pa. Okay. Mamaya may surprise tayo. Kasi syempre kulang eh. Kailangan may kasama pang dalawa eh. Di ba? Pero mamaya ating try habulin yung ating mga kasama. But would also like to acknowledge na Salamina. The presence of our VIPs. Syempre, Sir Chris Gasman! Miss Zell Samson Martinez, Rai Quintanar, and the lovely Carmi Raimundo. My lovely. Mico Del Rosario is also here. Grabe, full support, full force. Tayong lahat ngayong gabi. Okay. How does it feel to be here? Kaya ako tinanong yon kasi yung huling bisita ko sa inyo doon sa set, sinabi nyo sa akin, doon pa lang nasesepangs na kayo. Nagkakaroon na kayo ng separation anxiety. How does it feel to be here now doing this press conference? Belle?
Well, kanina we did a fan meet. Grabe, we got so emotional. You know, that moment I just felt the presence of everyone. I felt the presence of Pamilya Facundo. And now that we're here doing the press con, it makes me more excited for November 12.
Nice.
The last time nandito ko, kasama ko yung daddy ko. Nandito, ayun, puro lang dito. Kaya pagbalik ko, ito pa lang ako ngayon. Kaya parang mag-flashback ako pa. Oo. Pero, natutuwa ako na nandito kami ngayon.
Grabe yung attachment sa ni Belle eh. Parang anak mo na eh, no?
Anak ko sila.
Diba?
Nandito ko na sila.
Piolo, welcome back to Star Cinema. Your homecoming.
Yeah, after 8 years, I'm just really excited to be back home.
When was the last?
8 years ago.
Last night.
Last night, yeah.
Wow.
Ngayon, new night. New night.
Saan nagkaling yung new night?
ABS-CBN and Star Cinema for that matter. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na uuwi ka sa pamilya talaga na nagpalaki sa'yo, na nagbigay sa'yo ng break at the same time. Ang sarap nung pakiramdam na nakabuo ka ng isang pamilya within the shoot sa shoot namin. At yun ang namin sa mga tao. Itong pelikula na ginawa namin na pinaghirapan for so many months, and I'm just really excited because you know, when it comes to family dramas, when it comes to films like this, ang mapagkakatiwalaan talaga natin Star Cinema. So I'm
Speaking
really
of-
happy for that.
Speaking of... Sorry sa pagtanong, ano ba yung last mo? Ay, Chris, last ni Inay.
Nak. Ha?
T2?
Jaguar?
Girl, boy, bakla, tomboy. Alam ng mga fans. Diba? Documented yan. With Vice Ganda.
Isang anak ko kayo. Nakakalintingan lang yun.
JK naman, your first movie with Star Cinema. Tama ba?
Yes it is.
First movie, bongga ka agad.
Thank you. Ninibago ako. No, actually, again, hi everyone. I wanted to go back to your question earlier kasi the last time we were together as well, andun tayo sa location. Tapos, as you very well know, like, nakapambahay na kami. And we felt at home. Talagang going on set was one of those things that I was looking forward to doing. Pag nalaman namin na, may TV, kasi ang saya ng So, nakakamiss, pero sana hindi ito yung huling pagsasama ng pamilya ko.
Wow.
Narinig mo yung arms, ha?
Dinig na dinig daw. Dinig na dinig. Okay. Meron tayong gifts sa kanilang lahat. It's time to watch the official trailer of this movie. Mga kapamilya, this is...
Her cancer's back.
Need to do chemo ASAP.
No, ayoko.
Will convince her.
Because it's the logical thing to do.
Hindi mo lang siya naiintindihan. Wala ka kasi dito.
Let's just stick together.
Teamwork makes the dream.
Work! Para warriors tonight!
Okay. Deliver ako.
Magkahanap tayo ng alternative treatments, di ba?
Kung stem cell therapy kaya, herbal medicine kaya,
Ito, hindi sure win. Pero legit.